The fact that I could slay my own hair, makeup, and nails, goated. And I know I put the girlies on this. They ain't gonna say it, they ain't gonna tell y'all, but I'm the one that put the girlies on this.
I'm a star, cause I slay, I slay, I slay.
If you're wondering how to get a flawless base, this video is for you. First, you want to start with a clean face and then apply a sunscreen or a moisturizer. I'm going in with topical lip gloss to make sure my lips are hydrated. Now I'm going in with a primer to smooth out any imperfections, and this is a vital step in your base routine, a good primer. And I like using the one from e.l.f. So it's very affordable and it really works very well. Now I'm going in with a brow pomade to clean up my brows, and then I went ahead and concealed my brows and my lids and prepped them for eyeshadow. I'm going in with the She Glam eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this color and this brush, and I'm going to apply that all over my lids. I'm going in with Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop Stick, and this is going to give me a perfect base. I love this foundation. I'm just going to apply it all over my skin, and yes, I'm putting a little bit on my forehead, some on my neck, and using this Real Technique brush to blend everything out. And you want to use tapping motions and not swiping motions. Just tap, 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 tap. I'm going in with my favorite concealer from Juvia's Place in the shade 10, and I'm going to apply this concealer first, and then I'm going in with a lighter concealer, and then I'm actually going in with a third concealer today. Yes, they're all three different shades, and I just like how they combine together and blend out very smoothly. It looks real cute, very tea. You want to apply the concealer under eyes, chin, bridge of nose, and forehead. Now I'm taking some contour from She Glam, and I'm using a shade that's closest to my skin tone, applying that, and then I'm going to blend it out. If you're a fan of a more natural blended look and have normal to oily skin, liquid contour may be your go-to. But if you prefer a more matte, sculpted appearance and have drier skin, powder contour could be your best friend. Now I'm taking a powder puff and blending out my concealer, and I'm blending out the edges first, and then I'm going to blend upwards under my eye. And once I have everything blended, I'm going to go back in with the same brush I used for contour. Now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline pressed powder under my eye just to set it and make sure that there is no creasing. Now when I use this shade, I was like, oh my god, it looks a little darker, but don't trip, it's going to work out. And then I'm going in with Sweet Honey setting powder, a loose setting powder to set my concealer. Since I'm a caramel cutie, I'm going in with this shade from Fenty Beauty to set my liquid contour. Now I'm going in with the Volume 4 blush from Juvia's Place, and this is my favorite blush. It's so cute. It's giving very pink. I'm actually using both of the shades from the palette. So cute. And I'm just working that onto my cheeks. These are the lashes I'm using today at Everyday Elegance Lash, the top set from Amazon. And then I'm going in with Fenty Beauty, all three of the shades, the literal cutest thing ever. I love these shades. By following all these steps in your makeup routine, you will achieve a flawless base every time, okay? Period. Almost done. Gotta do my little finishing touches. Put a little touch of glitter in my inner corner. Now I'm about to go in with this Wet n Wild highlight. Morphe. I'm going in with the second setting spray. And I know I put the girlies on this. They ain't gonna say it, they ain't gonna tell y'all, but I'm the one that put the girlies on this. Y'all, I slayed my makeup per usual. Y'all already know what's going on. Yes. And every time I pop out, you know I ATE. Hey. Ooh. I love my makeup. The fact that I could slay my own hair, makeup, and nails, goated. Hey, y'all better put some respect on my name. Put some respect on my name. KBC Beauty. Welcome to the team. Need to hit subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Hey.